Hey friends, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing business setup for beginner. If you're totally brand new in affiliate marketing business, you are confused where to start and what is setup. So in this video, I will guide you how you can set up your business. So let's move on. I will show you. Okay friends, if you're totally brand new in my YouTube channel, this is Norina Kawal and I am affiliate marketer. I'm helping the people how to make money online. So in this video, I will again explain you about affiliate marketing setup. So first of all, you need to be learn about what is affiliate marketing, what is high ticket affiliate marketing and what is low ticket affiliate marketing. Once you clear your concept about affiliate marketing, the next step is choosing your niche. What is your interest, right? Once you choose your niche, the next step is you need to choose your affiliate network. For example, it could be a clickbank, it could be a JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore, Amazon, anything, any platform you like to promote. So you need to select your network. So I will mention the link in description, video about first video, second video and third video. This will be easy for you to understand about affiliate marketing, high ticket, low ticket, and how you can choose your hottest niche, right? So I will give the link step by step so you can watch the videos and clear your concept about affiliate marketing niche and affiliate networks. So next step I will show you is what you can do in setup. The next step is you need to make business email ID, right? So first of all, you need to clear your complete concept about affiliate marketing and needs and high ticket and low ticket, and make your mind what you want to do. Is you want to do Amazon or any other platform? So first of all, you need to mindset, right? Once you make your mind, the next step you need to be make your business setup, right? Complete setup. So first of all, the first very basic step is you need to make your business email ID. For business email ID, you need to take first domain, right? Like you can say here, I will give you example. You can see my business email ID is norina at amirkareem.com. So amirkareem.com is domain, right? So first you need to buy domain. The second, you can make sign up your business email ID. So I make the video how to buy the domain and how you can make business email ID. So once again, I will mention that in description. Step by step you can go through and make your business setup. So yeah, so basically where you can buy domain, you can go on Zoho, GoDaddy and Namecheap, and G Suite is for your business email ID, not for domain. So I will suggest you to buy cheap domain from Namecheap. So you can go there and buy domain and make your business email ID. I will mention the video in description. You can watch the complete video. Make your business email ID. First you need to buy domain, then make your business email ID. So very first step is your business email ID. So next step I will show you is create a funnel. So being affiliate marketing setup, so you must need to create a funnel which is work for your business, right? So basically you need to make your landing page or opt-in page where your customer, your audience will be give a name or email address, right? So behind this, the funnel will be work for you. Automated system will be work for you. So once again, I will drop the video link in description. You can go and watch how to make landing page or opt-in page. The next step is you need to email marketing. So how you can start your email marketing, right? So once this your customer, your audience give the name or email in your landing page, right, in your funnel, so you just send them everyday emails, so you can make great relationship with your audience. Being an affiliate marketer or any other type of marketer, you can say digital marketer, the big asset is your email marketing. So email list is your assets in affiliate marketing or digital marketing. So once you have once you have a landing page or opt-in page, so your next step is email marketing, right? You need to create a newsletter. You need to send every day. First you need to tell about yourself, what you are doing and who you are. You need to make clear relationship with your audience, right? You need to send every day, every another day email to your audience, so you can make relationship and you can see. So for this purpose, the next step is you need to set your autoresponder. Autoresponder means the automatically reply to your audience. I will share the autoresponder email marketing video in description, so you can go and see the how you can set the autoresponder. Basically, someone sign in your landing page, leave the name and email address, then the email will be go into your funnel. So behind the opt-in page, the funnel will be work for you. So autoresponder will be automatically send first message from your side. So you can say, let me introduce myself, and you can told about yourself, your story, when did you start, and what is your inspiration, so what is your goal. So you can share with your audience what you think about this business. So basically you need to create your funnel for your setup. So the next step is I will share you. Once you done your business email ID, next is funnel. The next step in the main and basic step, where to promote the product. So basically new people are very confused. They are going TikTok, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. They are very overwhelmed. They think they can do it overnight. So basically in social media they take time. So the best social media I will recommend is Facebook organic marketing. You can use TikTok, you can YouTube. So these three platform is best, and you can say people are watching and using these social media than other social media. Instagram is good, Pinterest is good, and Twitter as well. So basically these three platform is top most using platform. So first of all you can go on Facebook organic is best, and TikTok is already a free traffic source, and YouTube, as you know, you will be provide the information. Once you will get commission the other way, you will be get money from YouTube. So you can build your multiple stream of income. So these are three best platform to start your affiliate marketing. So I have a video on about how you can start your TikTok and how you can start Facebook organic. So once again I will mention the description link of this video. You can go and step by step watch all the videos and clear your concept and start making business setup. So next I will share with you is you need to set your profile. You select TikTok, you select Instagram, you select YouTube, you select Facebook. You need to select set your profile. You need to explain yourself, introduction, who you are and what you are doing, what you are promoting. So basically you need to be introduce yourself to your audience, how you can help. So in the end of the video I will show you about everything, how is I'm doing on different platform. So I will show you how you can set up your profile, how you can do it. I have videos as well, so I will drop the link of this video so you can go and watch the all videos and make your profile setup as well. Okay, so you can see this is my YouTube channel. I can show you first of all how it's look like. So you can see here, this is my cover photo and about me. When you click here about, you will see about my story, who I am and what I'm doing. So this is my cover picture and profile picture. So basically in cover picture it's clearly making money tips, right? So easily everyone can understand what is my content and what I want to give my audience, right? So when someone click here on subscribe here, they will definitely go on my landing page. They can go and check the link what I'm doing. So the next step is I can show you here. You can see here. So this is a series of videos. You can go on my video list. The very first video is what is affiliate marketing. You can go and watch the affiliate marketing, what is niche, how you can select your hottest niche. And the next video is high ticket affiliate marketing with low ticket. The next I explain top affiliate networks. So you can go and watch the all videos. Once again I will mention all the links in description down below. You can go through step by step and clear your concepts. So in the next video here is about ClickBank, and in the next video how to do email marketing and email autoresponder. So how you can use get response, how you can make your landing page, how you can see here how to make business email ID step by step. So basically you can go and clear your concept first and start making your business setup. So it will be help you to start your own online business. So next is setting your profile. So you can see here, this is my Instagram. First of all, clearly this is my name. Everywhere this is my same name. You can see here about my introduction here, helping people to build new income stream fast with high ticket affiliate, and this is my link. And when someone be click here, definitely it will be go on my page, and there is different my affiliate link according to the customer need what they want. They can go and check the link. The next one is here my Facebook, and I can show you here. You can see here, this is my Facebook. So first of all I make the cover picture and this is profile, and the next step is about my introduction. So I'm just giving a quick remind about how you can set up your profile. And here this is my feature picture, what I'm promoting and what I am offering to my audience. You can see I have my Facebook organic video. I will be paste the link in description. You can watch the video how you can start Facebook organic marketing. So the same, if you are choosing your TikTok, you can go and make the introduction, what you are doing and what you are promoting. So basically you don't focus only one platform. You should do like 2 or 3 platform and promote the product. If one platform ban you and somehow any problem, the other platform you have and you can do your work, right? So basically this is the purpose of affiliate marketing. Not only one platform, you can choose multiple platform to promote the product, like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, so anywhere you like. so you can do it. So the next step I can show you here, you need to make your framework, right? Once you make your complete online business setup, email autoresponder, funnel, business email ID according to your niche, what you want to promote, health and fitness, anything you like. So when everything is set, you need to jump in market, right? And social media. So basically once you choose your platform where you are promoting, I already told you, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook, you need to make your framework, right? So for example, if you have 1 hour in a day, so for your business you can make 20 minutes on one platform, 20 minutes on one platform, 30 minutes, like you can make your framework, right? So you need to make your target, how much you want to make with this business, like 5k, 10k, and work on your target and work on your framework. So I hope you like this video, and let's see the next step is. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and see the description down below. I will mention the every link of step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3. You can go and watch the step by step video, clear your concept and make your online business setup. And best of luck. I'm here, I will guide you. If you have any question, any confusion regarding this, what you want to choose, what you need to choose, so you can ask me, feel free. So best of luck and bye bye. Thank you.